Hello friends and welcome to a brand new video of infotainment under the playlist of Smart Minds. Today we'll see one of the popular apps that is trending these days, that is Chingari app. It is also said to be a replacement of TikTok, the Indian version of TikTok. So I will show you how to install and use Chingari app in this video. So let's go. As usual, you have to go to Play Store for installing any apps. I'll open Play Store here. Play Store. So once you go there, just type in the app Chingari. You can see the this orange leaf over here. That is the symbol of Chingari app. Just press it here, and you can see this is the app that I was referring to. Here you can see something like 3.9 reviews. All these things. Just press install here. The original Indian short video app, as it has written in the tagline, Chingari. So it will take some time to install based on your net speed. So it has been downloaded and installed in my mobile. So right now I'll just open it. So this is the interface of Chingari. So once you start in your mobile device, you have to accept this agreement. A very normal kind of thing for any app or software you use. Just click on this tick mark and press accept. I agree to Chingari terms of service and privacy policy, and I press accept here. Once you press this, you can see a lot of language, especially Indian languages, coming up here. You can choose according to your state or regional language. For this video, I'll just choose English here. I can also choose Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Odia, etc. etc. I'll just choose English here for now. And you can also change it at any point of time after going to this app. So for the first time you use this app, you have to register or log into this app. So for that, you just have to go here and like press any options, preferably this notification, profile settings, all these things. I'll press, for example, notification. If you press on notification or profile setting, it will lead you to the registration pages writing like you need to sign up before performing any action. So I'll sign up. I'll just press continue here. So it is asking for signing up with Google. So by signing up, you agree to our terms and privacy policy. Okay, I'll sign up with Google. Let's see. Since it's an Android mobile, you can see all the logged in accounts of Google. So if you have already logged in your Gmail or YouTube through a Google account, you can all these things will be displayed here. So simply choose your Google mail ID and you'll be logged in. I'll just choose my mail ID. Let's see. So now I think it's asking for my name. Sorry, gender, male, for name. Let's see. Okay, done. Once I enter my name, it has taken me into this page of Chingari. In the first page, that is many popular creators to follow. Either I can follow, I can take some of the creators. I don't know exactly. Already many things are ticked, so I'll just skip. If you want, you can follow also some of the people that have been shown here. The popular Chingari people, I hope. This is the home page of my Chingari app. So once again, I'll go here. Let's see. My profile settings. So this is my profile. It's showing my name. There is small ID also beneath or below my name. So here you can see 0 post, 0 followers, 0 following. Edit your profile. You can see my gallery, my post draft. Since I have joined just now, so nothing is there over here. So just edit your profile. If you want, you can go here. As you can see, my name, my ID, my country, date of birth. You can edit your date of birth as well. So if you want to edit, just press this pen button on the right side of it and edit your date of birth. Okay, edit status here. You can give your status, edit your status, your name. All the things are editable. So editable here. So you can also block profile. If somebody's profile you want to block, no profile found. I have just joined, so nothing is here. So this is the profile setting page. So I'll go back. Let's see what else are available here. Switch language. As I had told you, I can even change language later. So here you can change after going to the app by pressing this option. You can change your language further. If for example, I'll choose like Hindi right now. Once I choose, everything will be in Hindi. So but I'm comfortable with English, so I'll again go back to English. Let's see. Yeah, so this is the home page of Chingari app. So this is notification page. I'll just show you no notification available. So if you want to see, if you go using this app, you will get more and more notification from the person you follow or something else. So you can here search profile as well. The feature is under maintenance, we are working on it since it's a new app, so perhaps they are going for heavily on maintenance right now. So once it gets okay, you can use this search option also for searching profiles. So that's it here. Right now we'll go to for example, I'll show you a video how to play the video. So this is fine. So this is how you see or watch videos in Chingari app. For example, if you want to create a video, this is the option where you do that. So this you can see in the bottom left corner of your Chingari window. You can see this, a camera option. Just click it here, just press it. So allow Chingari to take pictures and record video, allow Chingari to access photos, media, files on your device, allow Chingari to record audio, allow. After doing this, again you can press and it will take you to this page. You can very well see my photo and all those things. So right now I'm not doing any video, just for example I'll show you what else are available in this. This like flash, turn, I can choose my camera. This is black, your back camera or rear camera or your front camera. You can get a lot of filters as well. If I choose normal, bilateral, box blur, a lot many filters are available. You can use it while creating a video. So I'll choose back, and there's something like timer. You can press this timer as well. After this the video will start. So here you go, a video has been created. Start now. So this the video has been created. So I will stop it for now. Next, let's see. So these are the options available. So you can see something like 0.3x, 0.5x, 1x, 2x, 3x. All the speeds are also available while making a video. So this is how you can choose a video from your computer, mobile or gallery. Okay, for example, and lot many editing option will come, like you can trim your videos like this. You can save. And next, if you press next, it will take you to like share or comment, try to post here. For example, test, share. So I'll choose this tick mark after creating this video. So I think this is done. Let's see. So I hope this video is uploaded. This is how you make videos on Chingari. You would just press this option and start recording videos. So friends, this is it what I had to say in this video. This is simple how to simply log in and use some of the features that are available in Chingari app. Also I've said how to create a video by using that camera button, and lot of small options or features are available to edit your videos as well. So friends, I hope this video was useful for a first-hand information on how to use the Chingari app. Go ahead, download this app and enjoy the experience of Chingari. So friends, that's it for now. If you found this video useful, please like it, share it, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel Infotainment, please do so for getting tips and tricks to make your digital life easier. So till our next video, see you again. Thank you.